Hi, Jerome here. So this is my problem for like 5 days ago. My hood won't open for my Kia Optima 2011 Kia Optima. So I just go to the Kia forum and search for uh, a solution for my problem, and then I found some very informative solution there. So this is what happened. You see, my cable is disconnected, so I just remove my tires and remove my what you call this, inner fender. So I just remove some screw there. Here's the screw, and if you look, yeah, I don't know if you see it. It's hard to go there because of the headlights. So I put my hands on this side and then way up until I reach this cable and full. Yeah, and now my hood is open. I've been thinking of this for like a couple of days now. How will I do it? So now I did it and it's now done. So I will just reconnect the cable here. Here. Okay. It should be okay now. Hope so. There. As you can see. Okay, so I will try it again. Okay, it's good now. So hope this will help to you guys if you had this problem for the Kia Optima hood won't open. Okay, thank you, bye bye.